wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
So this is another project that I'm working on. This is the oval mirror. There was a little bit of cracking on the wood, so hubby is fixing that. He made his own concoction, sawdust and glue. I'm just painting it. This is just the first coat, but I'm loving it already. I just want to make sure the paint doesn't pool anywhere. I've given it 2 coats. I'm going to do a little bit of touch-ups and then we're going to go on to the next step. I'm just taping this right across this way, just like I did with the tables. Want some details on that? I will link that video below. I put the tape right in the middle of this, and then I put it all the way across. I don't need those center ones. I'm just gonna fold this in. Boy, I gotta tell you, this was a royal pain to get it all the perfect squares. And now I'm gonna be adding the metallic, and it's a silver metallic. I'm going to need to give it several coats. Of course, painting it on black, it is going to take 3 coats. I'm not sure. Some of it is still coming through. Okay, so now I took out the tape. I should have showed you that, but if you want to see it, I do have it in another video, and I will link that below. I'm going to now do the opposite squares. I also did clean up already. When you pull off the tape, it does have smudges. Ready for the next step. That's me adding freehand, actually, the middle squares. You can see I have some touch-ups to do. I still have to give it another coat.
Reach out and touch the sky. In the city of angels, feels like I'm coming home. With my head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. 'Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count.
But just a little dab of gold, why not? Let's make it fun. Oh my gosh, guys, I love that. This is the thing about creating. You just add something and go a little wild. Don't be afraid. Oh my goodness, I love that. So hubby's put the glass in now. So that'll hold it in there more securely. Yeah, now the $1 million question.
Open, 'cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, 'cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like just as cool as John.
The last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey.